And now His Excellency the President is going to press. Can I ask everybody seated to stand kindly as he presses the button, and there it goes. A round of applause. It has been launched, and there, the Mitsubishi, the baby born in Kenya. We appreciate you, Your Excellency, and now.
Local content in it as well. Look at the batteries. That has been.
Your Excellency, we are training the ladies now.
Exactly. You'll come and be a mechanic here for me.
Actually, you have more of this. The visit that we've had here, you have more of them.
Adil, let's come for a ride, man.
Number plate. We appreciate.
I really appreciate the partnership that we have had that has led to a revival of this industry that was once moribund. And for me to give you my assurance and my commitment that we shall continue to work together to reach the targets that we envisioned way back there in 2019. And our determination to ensure that future governments also continue with the same policy, because this is not only good for increasing the manufacturing capacity of the country, but also good in terms of skills transfer, in terms of creating jobs for our people, in terms of creating new opportunities, as Mr. Popat has said, in terms of local content and how we can get various local content providers who used to be quite big, and unfortunately because of the collapse of the motor vehicle industry, they also collapsed. You know, we had all these people who were out there making brake pads, we had people making windscreens, we had people making suspensions and shock absorbers and all of these things. And it is my hope that as we continue to increase, as you've exactly said, the number of vehicles assembled, we will also have the backward linkages that would also enable some of these other industries that were a critical cog to local assembly revived and restored and brought back into play. So mine is to congratulate you, to thank you for your commitment, to thank you for your partnership, and to say we are truly excited. We are on the path. We are not there yet, but we are heading in the right direction. All we need to do is to increase that momentum, increase that pace, and I take note of your issue of getting the council established, and that is something we shall see if we can do before we leave office to ensure that we create that enabling environment to create the necessary institutions that will see this particular industry continue on its growth trajectory and becoming once again a dominant part of the Kenyan economy. So once again, congratulations to all concerned. Thank you, Mitsubishi, for your trust and confidence in Kenya, and we look forward to increasing that partnership and working closely together for our mutual benefit and for the success of our two countries. Asanteni sana.
In the last 3 years, we have increased production at AVA from 2,000 units to 7,500 units. All this shows that as the private sector needs things, and if your government does support it, we can work closely together and we can achieve things as a country and as an industry and move from leaps to bounds. And we'd like to thank you personally for your personal input into all the initiatives that your government has been choosing. Your government has promoted production, promoted policy, and the National Automotive Policy, which was developed after that meeting, is now in play. I hope we can get it implemented faster, because the faster we do it, we will reach the 30,000 units that the CS was talking about. The technological and knowledge transfer that this industry is doing is substantial. We are creating jobs that create more value than just ordinary jobs. These are technical jobs, and these jobs have a fallout that is much more than other jobs. As Simba Foundation, we have a program in which we are training underprivileged kids, bringing them through the system, giving them technical skills, together with a qualification, so that they can go out there and get jobs in the industry. And we're doing this together with AVA. AVA is now developing an academy, and that academy hopefully will produce more and more people.